Today we will be discussing about paranoid personality disorder or PPD. It is a condition that can significantly affect how a person views the world and how they interact with others. This is a common example of how PPD presents in real life. Let's explore what PPD is, its causes, symptoms, and treatment options available. Paranoid personality disorder is a chronic mental health condition marked by pervasive distrust and suspicion of others. People with PPD often believe without sufficient reason that others are trying to harm, deceive, or exploit them. Unlike delusional disorders, these thoughts are not entirely disconnected from reality, but they are exaggerated, persistent, and rigid. Common symptoms include believing others have hidden motives or are out to harm them, reluctance to confide in others due to fear that information will be used against them, persistently bearing grudges, misinterpreting benign remarks or events as threatening, quick to react with anger or suspicion, recurrent suspiciousness about partner's loyalty without justification. Now, these patterns often led to social isolation, conflict, and emotional distress, not only for the person with PPD but for those around them as well. The causes of PPD are believed to be a combination of genetic factors, family history of schizophrenia or delusional disorders, early childhood experiences, trauma abuse or emotionally cold environments, cognitive styles, pattern of thinking shaped by mistrust or fear, environmental stressors such as discrimination, bullying, or social rejection. These factors contribute to a worldview where the default assumption is danger, not trust. Diagnosing PPD requires a comprehensive psychological evaluation, observing lifelong patterns of mistrust and defensive behavior, ruling out other conditions like schizophrenia, delusional disorders, or PTSD. Many individuals with PPD are reluctant to seek help, often believing that therapists may judge or deceive them. There are different types of treatments for PPD. It focuses on building trust, emotional insight, and communication skills. Approaches include CBT, which is cognitive behavioral therapy, which helps to challenge paranoid thoughts, patterns, and promote more balanced interpretations. Psychodynamic therapy to explore past experiences that shaped mistrust. Medications are also a very important part of it. Group therapy as well, cautiously introduced in later stages to improve social trust. The most effective treatment is long-term psychotherapy conducted in a setting that fosters safety, consistency, and non-judgment. For example, the patient we mentioned earlier made significant progress after 6 months of CBT, slowly learning to question his assumptions and differentiate between past trauma and current reality. With support, his relationships improved and his social engagement also improved. The goal is not to erase suspiciousness but to reduce its impact on daily life. At Jagruti Rehabilitation Center, we offer individual psychotherapy in a safe, confidential setting, trauma-informed care for individuals with trust-related issues, anger and stress management workshops, family counseling to help rebuild relationships and educate loved ones, support for co-occurring disorders including substance use or depression. We focus on respecting each patient's boundaries while helping them build healthier ways to relate to others. New therapeutic approaches include mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, MBCT, to reduce rumination and emotional reactivity, schema therapy for reshaping long-standing maladaptive beliefs, digital cognitive tools that help track triggers and challenge that suspicious thoughts, emotional regulation training through neurofeedback and biofeedback, online therapy access for those initially uncomfortable with face-to-face treatment. These modern techniques or interventions are helping individuals with PPD gain control and reduce fear-based behavior.